Welcome to Richpeace Embroidery CAD software online lessons. Today's teach you, Edit Base Bitmap. The main function of Edit Base Bitmap is, to manage input images, size rotate and tilt option. At first insert picture using image option on menu bar. Then click on Edit Base Bitmap tool from toolbar area. Then right-click on the image to access object property for change image size. You can also rotate, tilt, resize selected image by using this option. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow again.